1 hour on the trainer is equal to riding 3 hours outside because you're static and there's no dynamic movement. When you're riding a bike, the way you want to feel is right now, we're standing straight up and down using our skeletal system holding us up. So, one thing that is really key is getting a proper bike fit. Number one, you need to have the correct width saddle so it's supporting your ischial tuberosity or your sit bones. Otherwise, it's only your soft tissues holding yourself up. And that's when you feel like you're pushing back, trying to move around, trying to find the wide spot on the saddle that doesn't truly exist because it's too narrow. The next thing we want to watch out for is if you don't have the correct position on your hoods, you're going to pinch your ulnar nerve and that's going to make your hand go numb. And that's when you've experienced a lot of this riding outside. And it's only because your hoods are not in a position that benefits you. Also, when you're riding, find a cadence that benefits you. There's a lot of programs out there to get you spinning at a high cadence, but we're all different and we're all perfect in our own way. So do what feels best to you and don't overwork